Hey, good afternoon, guys. This afternoon we're going to be working on a 6.4 engine. We're going to try and see if we can get this thing put together, rebuilt. So I'm going to start by prepping the block, just getting old gasket material off of it, getting cleaned up, honed, and reamed. So let me go ahead and start doing that. What we're using here is angle grinder with a little green disc. This is what we're going to use to go ahead and prep this flat surface up with. So let me go ahead and get started. High pressure fuel pump, so on and so forth. Timing covers, all clean. Alright, so let's get to honing. Well guys, got everything cleaned up. Somebody placed that crank in place, so I didn't get to record it. I didn't get to get footage on it, but crank is in place. Main bearings on the block are already installed. I'm waiting for the gaskets for the bottom cover so I can go ahead and get those main bearings on it and get that gasket on it and go ahead and put it on and torque the bolts down. I kind of sprayed the block with black paint, make it look, a little bit nicer. So heads are over here, oil pan, little valley cover. On this one, they're not going to install new pistons. We are going to reuse the same ones, minus one that was kind of scored, and I'm going to go ahead and get another piston head, a used one, and I'm going to use it. We are going to add new rings, new rod bearings, and so on and so forth, and I got to clean all this junk up so I can go ahead and put it back in the engine. So let me go ahead and continue this. Our crankshaft is standard. They just polished it up. It wasn't reground, so it didn't go oversized. Well guys, let's go ahead and get those bolts torqued down. It's going to be 130, then 150, and then 170. It's in 3 steps, so let me go ahead and get that done. Well guys, sorry about that, but I missed out on a bit. They installed the pistons for me. I didn't get to do that, so I didn't get to record it, and that's where they left off. Basically, they got the oil pan stuff on it. All I gotta do is get these heads, set them in there, torque them down, and of course, front timing cover and so on and so forth. So I do apologize, guys. I wish I could have gotten everything done, but I missed out on it. So let me go ahead and continue with this one. I'm going to go ahead and set the head on this side and go ahead and torque those suckers down. All right, guys. On the engine stand, I can only do the 70, loosen, 115, and then the first 90. The second 90 we're going to do when the engine is already installed in the vehicle. So let me go ahead and get to that one. Well guys, that was a 70 pound, and then the loosen. Guys, those are the little marks. This little mark's got to go up to 90 degree, and then of course the second mark has to go up the second 90 degree. All the bolts are marked. Oh shoot, where's the bolt? Right there, right there, right there. So basically right now I'm going to turn it, move this little mark straight up on all of them, on both sides, and that'll give me the first 90 degree. Well, as you guys can see, I got that first little dot pointing up on all the bolts on this side. And pointing up on this side. So okay, so that's already set at 90 degrees with once. So far guys, it's all going the way it's supposed to. Let me go ahead and start putting those rocker arm assemblies and glow plugs, and that little mid part between the valve cover and the head. Let me go ahead and get that installed. That way we're closer to being, well, not finished, but closer to getting it ready for installation on the vehicle. So let me go ahead and get that done.